This Google Nest Doorbell, wired, formerly known as the Nest Hello, is a top-tier video doorbell that combines advanced features with reliable performance to enhance home security. Designed for continuous operation, it provides high-definition video, intelligent alerts, and seamless communication with visitors. Here's an in-depth review of this innovative smart doorbell camera. The Google Nest Doorbell, wired, boasts a sleek and modern design that fits well with any home exterior. The slim profile and elegant look ensure it doesn't stand out too much while maintaining a sophisticated appearance. Constructed with high-quality materials, the doorbell is built to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring durability and long-term use. The doorbell's design also includes practical features like a 4:3 aspect ratio, which offers a full view of your doorstep, including visitors from head to toe and packages left on the ground. This design choice ensures you never miss any important activity at your front door. Installing the Nest Doorbell, wired, is straightforward, especially for those who already have a wired doorbell system in place. The doorbell requires a wired connection, a chime, and a compatible transformer. For homes without existing doorbell wiring, Google offers an indoor power adapter, sold separately, that allows you to plug the device into an indoor power outlet. The setup process is guided through the Nest app, which provides detailed, step-by-step instructions. The app walks you through connecting the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network and syncing it with your Google account. It's important to note that the Nest Doorbell, wired, is not compatible with the Google Home app, so all setup and management tasks must be done through the Nest app. The Nest Doorbell, wired, excels in video quality, offering HDR video with a resolution that ensures clear and vibrant images. The HDR capability is particularly useful in handling challenging lighting conditions, such as bright sunlight and shadows, ensuring you always get a clear view of your visitors. With a wide 160-degree field of view and a 4:3 aspect ratio, the doorbell captures more vertical space, providing a complete view of your front porch. This means you can see visitors from head to toe and keep an eye on packages or other items left at your doorstep. One of the standout features of the Nest Doorbell, wired, is its intelligent alert system. The doorbell uses advanced algorithms to distinguish between people, packages, animals, and vehicles, sending you specific alerts based on what it detects. Even if visitors don't ring the doorbell, you'll receive notifications when someone approaches your door, thanks to the built-in person detection feature. For those seeking more advanced alert capabilities, subscribing to Nest Aware provides additional benefits, such as package detection and familiar face alerts. These features ensure you only receive relevant notifications, reducing the number of false alarms and enhancing overall security. Equipped with night vision, the Nest Doorbell, wired, maintains excellent performance in low-light conditions. The night vision feature provides clear and detailed footage at night, ensuring that your home is protected around the clock. This capability is crucial for identifying visitors or potential intruders during nighttime hours. The Nest Doorbell, wired, offers 24/7 streaming, allowing you to check in on your front door at any time via the Nest app. This continuous streaming ensures that you always have access to live video, providing peace of mind and enhanced security. For those who want continuous video recording, a Nest Aware Plus subscription is available. This subscription allows for 24/7 recording, storing up to 10 days of footage that can be reviewed at any time. Without a subscription, the doorbell still offers a 3-hour snapshot history, which includes 2-second previews and 5-minute clips of important activities. Communication with visitors is seamless with the HD Talk and Listen feature. The doorbell's high-quality audio ensures clear, two-way communication, allowing you to speak with visitors in real time through the Nest app. This feature is particularly useful for giving instructions to delivery personnel, greeting guests, or deterring potential intruders. Additionally, the Nest Doorbell, wired, offers pre-recorded messages, enabling you to respond quickly to visitors when you're unable to answer in person. These messages can be customized to suit your needs, providing a convenient and efficient way to manage interactions at your front door. The Nest Doorbell, wired, integrates smoothly with other Google Nest products and smart home systems. It works with Google Assistant, allowing you to use voice commands to view live video feeds on compatible devices like the Nest Hub. This integration enhances the convenience and functionality of your smart home setup. While the Nest Doorbell, wired, is not compatible with the Google Home app, it still provides robust functionality through the Nest app. This app serves as the central hub for managing your doorbell, viewing footage, and receiving alerts. Google takes privacy and security seriously, ensuring that your video footage and data are securely stored and accessible only by you. The Nest app provides various settings to customize your privacy preferences, such as creating activity zones and adjusting notification settings. Conclusion: the Google Nest Doorbell, wired, is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security with a reliable and intelligent video doorbell. Its combination of high-definition video, advanced alert systems, and seamless communication features make it a standout product in the market. The doorbell's sleek design, robust performance, and comprehensive features ensure it meets both aesthetic and functional needs. While the installation requires specific hardware, the user-friendly app and intelligent features make it a valuable addition to any home security system. In summary, the Google Nest Doorbell, wired, offers peace of mind with its 24/7 surveillance, intelligent alerts, and high-quality communication capabilities. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing doorbell or integrate it into a smart home setup, this doorbell delivers exceptional performance and reliability. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.